Hello everyone, we are going to see about server-side rendering. Server-side rendering SSR in Next.js allows you to pre-render pages on the server before sending them to the client. This means that the HTML content of your pages is generated dynamically on each request, allowing you to fetch data and customize the page content based on the request. How you can implement server-side rendering in Next.js? Using get server side props in your page component, you can export a function called get server side props. This function runs on the server for every request and allows you to fetch data and pass it as props to the page component. Fetching data inside the get server side prop function, you can use server side code to fetch data from an API or database. This data will be available as props to the page component when it's rendered on the server. Rendering. The page component receives the data as props and returns the page content dynamically based on the fetched data. This content is then sent to the client as HTML. The demonstration server-side rendering in Next.js let us use a simple mock API endpoint that returns some sample data. I will show you how to make for the server backend. I am going to install Express, and I am going to create a file server.js. In the servers.js, first const express equal to require express, const app equal to express. Now I am going to create a data const data equal to id1 name product 1. And id2 name product 2, id3 name product 3. The endpoint to fetch data app.get slash API slash products. Here I am going to use request comma response res.json data. To start the server, const port equal to 3001 and app.listen port and here I am going to console log server is running at port port. In the package, I want to change this to node server. If I save this and in index.js, in index.js, I want to make the client side. First export async function get server side props. Now fetch data from awk API endpoint const press equal to await fetch https http local host 3001 slash API slash products const data equal to await rest dot json and want to return drops and data. And inside home page I have to get the data and unordered list and data dot map product li product dot name and li is key product dot id. If I save this and to run the node backend node server, see the server is running at port 3001. If I run the npm run dev, see we are getting the product 1 2 3 It was from the backend we are getting the output of product one, product two, product three to the client side. In this example, the get server side prop function fetches data from mock API endpoint on the server side, and the fetch data pass is passed as a prop to the home page content component. This home page component that renders the data dynamically. Thank you.